Okay, is this working? Right, it looks like it is working. Okay, so this next entity is called a turbo encabulator. An encabulator is a transmission that will supply inverse reactive current to the unilateral phase detractors and also be able to automatically synchronize cardinal grammeters. So this turbo encabulator is a final improved form after many years of intense work. Now, next slide. As I said before, the turbo encabulator is a perfection to the ideal transmission that would for once supply inverse reactive current use of unilateral phase attractor, and you can read it yourself. Automatically synchronize cardinal grammeters. Now, this turbo encabulator basically involves only one new principle, and that is involved in this principle of power generation. The previous design of encabulator utilizes the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, but the turbo encabulator uses the modal interaction of magneto-reluctance and capacitive directance. Then again, modal interaction much more precise than and quantifiable than the old relative motion. Any question? No? We move on. Next slide. So originally, the design incorporates a base plate of pre-formulated amylite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with the Panameric fan. Now, this fan is consisted of 6 hydrocoptic Marsla vanes fitted to the ambifacient lunar vane shaft. Ambifacient lunar vane shaft that can effectively prevent the side fumbling. Now we move our attention to the main winding. Getting ahead of myself. The main winding of this transmission design is of the normal Lotus O Delta type placed in panodermic semi-boloid slots of the stator, which every 7th conductor connected to a non-reversible tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the grammeters. With the design of turbo encabulator, the new one, we have reached a new height of this transmission. Currently, it has successfully been used in the operation of Novatronians. Also, when you need some fluorescent score motion, you can combine it with a drawn reciprocation dingo arm. That way, you can reduce the sinusoidal repleneration. Like that. Any questions? No? Okay.